Hey, let me show you how you can charge your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro by using your smartphone. And there's actually like two methods. The first one, if you have Samsung with the reverse wireless charging, in my case I'm using the Pixel 7 Pro, and as you can see I can find the feature called the battery share. Now when I'm gonna actually put it on the front, close the case and put it right here, we should get here the charging information from the indicator. There we go. It means that we are currently charging our device with the wireless method by using my phone. But there's also a second method, and if your smartphone doesn't have this feature, you can still recharge them by simple cable connection. So take a look. And that's how it works. You don't have to actually get any USB cable. Even you don't have to get the double USB-C cable. You can get this adapter from USB-C to the USB-A. I mean from USB-A to the USB-C. And yeah, that will be all the quick information for you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.